Welcome back. Did you get your vision nailed down? It's okay if it's version 1 because version 1, again, is better than version none. In this module, we'll be looking at your target audience in order to give more focus in generating your ideas. With your vision, the next question is, whom are you serving? This would be your target audience. If you don't know who you're serving, then you'll be serving everyone who ultimately makes your company confused, and the allocation of your resources will not be effective or efficient. It only projects lack of focus. You need to know, who are they? Why them? What are their needs and wants? What problems are they facing? This is important because one of the ways you add value is, in most cases, solving problems. How well you solve your customers' problems is in direct relation to how much your target audience will pay. For example, if you're planning to operate a restaurant, focus on the theme of the restaurant. What type of food will you want to serve? And also the price range. This will set your standards as well as setting your niche, and inevitably pull the supposed audience in your favor. When you've gotten a clearer picture of your audience, next is to seek and establish relevance to them. How would your company, products, or services help to solve their problems? Write down as many ways as you can think of. Those ways are now your prototype of your company, products, and services. Your next task is to then test it out and seek for proof of concept. You do this by selecting the one product that would solve the biggest problem of your audience. Put it out into the market by doing research and asking your audience if they would buy it and actually start selling it. Collect the money, and then you create the product. Yes, sell first, collect the money, and then create the product. Now, if you're thinking that that's tricking your customers, well, it isn't. There have been too many companies that create the product first and only then find the target market to sell to, which, to me, it's insane. These companies would pump thousands of dollars into product research and development only to find out that it's not even what their customers want in the first place. So avoid wasting your resources and time and prove the concept with money, their money. This method is called failing forward fast. The process is this. You want to get an idea quickly that solves the biggest problem of your target audience. Ask if they would buy it, sell it to them, get the money, and with that money, you go to a manufacturer and make the product. Now, of course, you would have settled all the gaps required in between, like actually having a manufacturer on standby, a prototype product, a sales offer, discount for early buyers, and a registered company so that you're legal. If you don't have any of these, then yes, you are involved in a scam, and you should rethink your strategy. The reason for failing forward fast is so you can get the key insights to come out with a version 2 of the product. You also need to sell and collect the money up front because sometimes what your audience says they'll pay and what they actually pay is different. The moment of truth is when they reach into their pockets and actually hand you the money. That's when you know you've found an initial product worth investing your R&D dollars into.